Guys, let's see if I get $3 and coins in OneState. I'm really hopeful that I did, because you'll see right now I'm pretty much running out of coins and bucks, guys, all together. So let's see if I get the resources that I wanted. I'm really hopeful that I did. So guys, let's go ahead and boom, guys, as you can see, I'm getting the bucks, I'm getting the coins. So let me show you right now how I got to this exact result in my OneState app. All right, you guys, let's go ahead and start with this tutorial and let me show you how I got the coins and bucks in OneState. So first things first, what I need you to do is go ahead and switch off your VPNs. Once you're done switching your VPNs off, go ahead and go to your browsers next. You're allowed to use any browser that you want to. Just simply go to this page right here. Once you're on this page, guys, go ahead and search for the app manually, or what you can do in other case is go ahead and search for it through the search bar, and you can see OneState RP. Then what you do next is go ahead and type in the username you're using. Then go ahead and choose the device that you're using. So I'm using an iOS one, and that's what I'm going to be choosing. And then you choose the amount of coins and money that you want to get. Then you tap on generate, and then you can see the process loading right here, as you can see right now. So let's go ahead. If it gets me all that money and coins that I wanted, I need to tap on this button right here next and click here to get to the last step, guys. Yes, you heard me right. This process is so simple to complete. So in this process, I need to complete 2 tasks, and those 2 tasks can include getting 2 apps, or what they can include is completing 2 questionnaires. And questionnaires are so easy to complete, guys. You simply answer a few questions on them, and that's basically it. And then you maybe enter your real email address and make sure you're using your real one for this. And that's it, guys. For the apps, however, you don't only need to get them, but also complete the steps listed next to them. For example, Swagbucks played 2 games for 5 minutes each. Opera G exited as a default browser, then search 5 times. So you tap on it, and then you're redirected to your official App Store or Google Play Store, since all of these apps are from official publishers and completely free to download, guys. You get the app, you complete the steps listed next to it or below it, then you go ahead and go back to your browser and you get the next one. Tap on it, get redirected, and get the app you wanted and complete the steps listed below it. I'm going to go ahead and complete this process off camera, and I hope it gets me all that money and coins. That is it for today's video, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and see you next time. Bye!